Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the file or folder that was shared to you. Okay, you can double click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you can now then go ahead and click on New right here if you're using a computer. And if you're using your mobile device, you'll be able to see an upload or plus sign. Well, just go ahead and use the plus sign to upload a file from there. All right, so for example, we have here the web version. I'm just going to go ahead and click on New, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on File Upload. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and upload this file. Click on Open. Wait for it. As it says here, starting upload. And once that's done, it will be landed directly to this exact folder. All right, and that's basically it. That's how simple it is to upload files that are shared to a Google Drive link. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.